What's up, YouTube? Dazwa Beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. All right, today what we doing? We're gonna make a beat from scratch, man. We're gonna use a guitar. You know what? I've been digging the guitar lately, man. I don't know what it is, but every time I sit down to make music, I always try to but it always happen. I always pull out like a VST and select like a guitar or something like that. So I don't know what it is, but lately I've been trying to, work with guitars. And you see that thing over there? I haven't used it since I bought it. I don't know how to play it. I'm gonna learn though, man. One day I'm gonna learn. Y'all gonna see me pick it up and try to learn it. All right, so let's go, let's get it, man. Today we making a real something smooth with some guitars, something, with some, I don't know, some kind of horn. I don't know what I'm feeling, right? But it's gonna be fire. All right, so let's go, let's get it. Let's go, man, let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and get a bass for this now. So we're gonna go to track 2, shift stop, then we're gonna control V, we're gonna pitch it down 1, and we're gonna add a bass to it. All right, let's go. Take some of the high end out of the bass. A little bit of the low. All right, let's copy this and bring it to track 3, shift stop, control V. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add like a string to it. Let's add the strings that come with the MPC, the Studio. Alright, let's speed it up a little bit, see what we get. We're gonna go to let's do 160. Let's send this to submix 1. Let's send the guitar to submix 1. Alright, we're leaving the bass. We're not sending the bass there. Let's see if we send the string there. Speed it up a little bit more. Let's do 165. Alright, let's go ahead and add the brass to it. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna leave it off there for now. If this is your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, that's it, man. Just a simple, soft, chill, laid back, you know what I mean? Something laid back, something to chill, just some little laid back hip hop. Alright, so that's it, man. Let's go, let's get it, man. As always, you know what I like to say, only when the beat drop, man. Catch you in the next one. Let's go.